property file. Where we are in the last class? Last class. Any idea? Or you forget everything? Hmm? Last class, yeah? Or you forgot everything? Where we are in the last class?
We are creating branches and updating branch.
We are written which framework we are working. At least you remember which framework we are working here at least.
Keyword framework.
Keyword framework, ma? Very good. At least remember that framework at least. Very good. In that, what we did in the last class here. First, we created a property file. The property file as environment dot properties. And we define all the locators including your browser value and application URL. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And next step, what we did, under test input folder, we prepared Excel sheet. What is available in Excel? All of you know that. What is stored in Excel?
Test cases.
Your test cases. And for every test case, we define the steps also. How to execute each and every test case, we define all our steps in that test cases also. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right? That's what we did. Next, under constant package, we created constant class before method, after method. Okay, before and after method. And we associated, what we associated here, we associated property file also for this. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
And next thing is, again in function library, we under common fund library package, we created three methods. One for click on branches, one for logout method, and two more methods to be developed here, right? What are two more methods to be developed here?
New branch creation and updation.
New branch. So remember, what are the test cases you identified? We have to prepare function library compulsory. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll call them in driver script and we'll execute them one by one. After that, we'll go for hybrid also. Okay, na? Yes. How? You tell me what to do. I define arguments also for branch creation. These are the arguments. For all the fields we define. Branch name, address 1, address 2, address 3, area code. How many arguments we have? For all that arguments we have defined, right? How many arguments we need to work? For each and every argument we defined here, everything. Okay, na? Now, only one click written. What that one click? Anybody? What we're clicking here, anybody?
On the new branch.
New branch, exactly. Remember here, oh my God. 2 days holidays means gone, everything, huh? We are clicking on new branch. No need to click on. No need to click on branches because we written a separate method for clicking branches. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So no need to click on branches here. So what Selenium has to do after clicking on branches, we'll call this method, and then it has to click on new branch.
New branch.
Yes, we have done up to here only, right? And we're waiting for 5 seconds. What is that object repository for that? What is the locator value? Go to your function environment file, obj, new branch. Copy that, paste here. After clicking on new branch, now we need to send a values, right? You get details, creation page. Now we have to send values for all these text objects. We have to send arguments only right now, right? We have to send one by one argument. Come on, one by one. Come on. Driver dot find element. All of them we defined XPath. Remember, by dot
XPath of P dot get property.
Exactly. P dot get property. So from where you're accessing property, from property file.
Object
so dot
name.
Yes, we'll define that. Send keys.
Keys.
Tell me what argument you can define. What is the argument we have to send? Look at that line number 53.
B name.
B name. We have to send branch name. So for that we give as B name as our argument. So this argument and what you're sending to the text fields makes that matching compulsory. Okay, na? In runtime, Selenium will take data for these arguments. Okay, na? Yes. Same way. Next, driver dot
find
element by dot XPath P dot get property. Again, we have defined that one more key dot send keys. What that send keys, ma?
Address one.
Address one, exactly. Address one. Next, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Again, P dot get property. Again, that key will define that property key. No problem. Dot send keys. And what that address? Address two. Next, again, driver dot find element. Driver dot find element by dot XPath P dot get property. And the key will define later. Dot send keys. So what that send keys we have to send here? Address 3. Address 3, exactly. And next, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Again, P dot get property. And the key P dot, we'll define that key dot send the keys, and it is for area. Next, again, driver dot find element by dot XPath P dot get property. Key will define later. Dot send keys. What that keys we have to send here?
Zip code.
Zip code.
Zip
code. Next, finally, driver dot. After zip code, we have to go for list boxes. Country and they are list box. I know that. How do you confirm they're having select tag? How do you confirm? I told you number of times. Right click on it, inspect element, and check that whether they're having select HTML tag or not. Do you have
select tag?
Right?
Yes.
Select.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to go with select class methods. I need to work with select class methods, right? So all of you know how to use select class methods. New, select, control space bar. Select is a class, right? We have to import a package for that. So this is a package we have to import. Now, which list box you are storing? Look at that list box. Driver dot, find element, by dot, xpath, p dot, get property, and key value will define dot select by. See that we get all the methods. Tell me which method I want to use, ma? Index value. Which one you want? You tell me which one you want. I'll use that.
Value.
Can I go with index?
Yes.
Value, leave value because they're not value type maybe. Let us apart from value. You which one you want? So can I go with this index? Okay, na? All of you. Yes or no? No, na. Somebody says no. Who is that? Can you go with index? No, huh? Sorry, I'm not hearing. I'm not hearing you guys. Yes or
We
no?
can check in yeah.
No, we cannot go with index. We have to go with visible text only. Why? Because arguments, look at that arguments, what we defined here.
String.
String type, all are string type. If you're defining argument as integer type, then you're eligible to select index. Okay, na? Understood all of you? Huh?
Yes.
So it all depends upon the argument. Here we have to go with compulsory with visible text. For which one? Country.
Country. Why can't we go with the value, sir? Because it is also string.
Maybe it is not having value type, ma. We'll get problem. Value is not mandatory. Go with get text only. Driver dot, find element, by dot, xpath, p dot, get property. Schema will define later. Again, dot, select to by. Don't go with value because we have to check whether it's having value text. If it's not having value text, again we get a problem. Yes or no? So visual text is the best option. Why you worry? What is that? First one is city. State or city? State. Yes. And again, one more list box. New, select, control space bar. So driver dot, find element, by dot, xpath value will define later. P dot, get property. We'll define that key here later. Dot, select by visible text. Next we have to go with what? State. City, na? City. City, yes. So let me wait for 5 seconds or through at least 1 second when it's selecting items. Not required, but wanted damaging for your observation. Otherwise, tool will be very fast. Thread dot stream. Milliseconds. For 5,000 milliseconds. Not required yet. Wanted I'm using. 5 seconds again. 5 seconds. At least 3 seconds. No need to wait 5 seconds. Again, it will wait 3 seconds at least. Seconds. Three seconds. Okay, na? And after selecting all of them, we have to click on submit button. Am I right or not? So driver dot, find element, by dot, xpath, p dot, get property, value dot, click. Here also wait for 5 seconds after clicking that button. Now, you know, all of you who worked on Primus Bank application, all of you know, in manual testing. Here it is going to pop-up window. You enter branch name one, you enter your zip code, you select your country, you select a state. What happened? Not listing out the countries, states. Loading. It's going on. Loading. That. When you select all this, when you click on, after selecting all these things, when you click on submit button, 100% it will give ID like this. Am I right or not? One pop-up window. Okay, na? How to capture this pop-up message? Anybody?
Robot.
How do you capture alert message? Capture it. Come on. String. You have to store into one variable, right? Branch message. For my understanding, I'm giving branch message is equal to, or you can say your expected message. Expected message is equal to, come on, how to get that? Remember, it is not in a web page. It is not in a web page. This message is not in a web page so that I can't inspect it. It is in a pop-up window. All of you know, we need to ask, we have to give control to Selenium to that window now.
Yeah.
How to give? Come on. Driver dot. Switch to. Do you remember? Switch to dot. Alert dot.
Alert.
Get text method. Yes or no? Now, after capturing that message, I want to again wait for 5 more seconds for my understanding. Now, how to accept that pop-up? Come on, guys. How to accept that pop-up?
Driver dot.
Driver dot.
Driver dot.
Switch to dot.
Switch to dot.
Which to dot.
Alert
Alert
dot.
dot. Accept.
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 After accepting, again, I want to wait for 5 more seconds. I want to wait for 5 more seconds. Now, I will capture some part of this message. I will capture some part of this message and I will store into my actual variable. String
In actual message.
actual message
Equal
is
to.
equal to, we have to define your message. So copy from the alert message, all of you, okay na? Some blank space not required. Some part, no need to copy completely, some part of that message. Now I want to validate. What I want to validate? Selenium, go and verify this new branch message contains in this expected message, because this expected message contains the complete message or not? All of you, huh?
Yes.
This expected
Yes.
message contains the complete message, right? Now I need to ask my Selenium to verify this actual message contains this expected message or not.
Accept.
So yes, how to verify that? If actual
Actual message
message, not actual, expected kada?
contain expected message
Yeah, we have to go with the
contains
expected message dot to
dot
lowercase.
Contains.
Dot to lowercase. What is to lowercase? If anything contains upper cases, convert them into lowercase. Chances are there, runtime anything may happen. Dot contains.
That contains.
Which one?
Actual message.
Actual message.
Even actual message also I
Dot
may give small
lowercase.
length. Yes. Dot to
lowercase.
Two lowercase.
To lowercase. Control space for to lowercase. If it is contains this way, then what do you say here? Reporter dot log. Print actual message plus
Actual message plus
Expected message.
actual message plus some blank space. I want to get some blank space again. Plus
expected message.
plus expected message.
Message.
Expected message, comma, true.
True.
And here, what return type methods written here? Boolean type kada? So return
True.
True.
else reporter dot
Once
log
reported dot
so and so.
log
Yes, reporter dot log so and so. Here instead of
return
write
Return.
message, write your message here. Expected message, branch created, success. Okay, I just want some blank space for that. Plus so and so. Concatenate that. Branch created, branch created, fail.
fail.
Okay, concatenate that plus. Okay, na? So return
False.
false. Return false here. So successfully written, but we have to specify all the locators here compulsory. How to specify them? Go to property file, first copy v name, paste to what? This one. Make sure all of you check it out. I'm giving right or not, please. All of you help me out. This is address one.
Address one.
Copy to address one for locating address one. Next address two. Copy this and locate for address two. Next address three. Copy this for address three. Next address area obj area, copy that. Next zip code obj zip code. Next country obj country. Next obj state Next obj city Next obj submit.
Sub-
Okay na? So these things to be verified correctly. I think I've given everything, locators, everything correctly. Am I right?
Yes.
Right. Now, after completion of this method, again, this is for class opening. Come out of this method. Last method we have tried for what? Method
Branch
for
updation.
method
Branch
for
updation.
branch updation. Okay na? Again, updation. How many arguments you want to send for that branch updation? All of you know, we are already in property file, we define only for few of the locators. I want to update branch name, address, zip code. That's
Zip
it. Only
code.
this yes. If any extra you want, come and add that in a property file, compulsory. If you want update for any other fields, you have to come and update here, compulsory. Okay na? In new things, you have to come and update first in property file, first thing. Okay na? Let us go to your prop function library again. Write a method for that. Public static boolean. Data type is boolean. Method name is verify update
Branch updation.
branch something. How many arguments ma? How many arguments we should define here?
Three arguments.
You got that three arguments. String
Branch
name,
branch name,
comma,
address one. String address.
address. See,
address one. Okay.
Z
Address
code.
one, comma. Next one is
String Z code.
Z code.
Okay na? Open parenthesis closed here. Now, yes, come on again. What to do? So what Selenium has to do here?
Has to find the
Driver dot.
elements.
Already we written locators.
Find the
First you
elements
have
and update.
Click on edit.
edit button, right? Yes or no? Edit button. Already no need to click out branches because we already done separate method for that common function. Once you get
Driver
detailed
dot.
space, yes, you have to click on edit button. So
Edit.
come on, write
Driver
for that.
dot.
Driver dot
Driver dot.
Find element by
Find
XPath.
element by
y dot
XPath.
XPath.
XPath dot of P dot.
Expression is p dot
P dot get property.
Get the
get
property.
property. The key will define later, no problem. Dot.
Dot click.
Dot
Click.
click.
So let me suspend tool for 5 seconds. What is that? Red dot sleep. Your observation is required 5000 milliseconds. Okay, na? Now after that, what to do? You click on update. Okay, edit button. What to do? After clicking edit button, what it has to do? You'll get updation form, right? It's loading.
Just click on login. It's taking time. I think it's any crashes. It's taking time to load actually, right? Okay, so here, see, when you get updation page, so already your branch name is already existing there, right? Your branch name is already existing over there. Am I right or not?
You have to clear and enter.
Before we input data in that form, what Selenium has
You
to
have
do,
to
ma?
clear. Clear.
So that click on branches, click on edit button. When you click on edit button, Selenium has to clear that field. Otherwise, it will overwrite. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For all that fields, branch
Clear
name,
and-
address, and zip code also. All the fields we have to clear it. So what to do for that? How many times we should access web element methods? One for clear, one for send
Clearing,
keys. What
one
I
for
told you
send
when you want
keys.
access. Yeah, how many? Then
Put it
how
in
to
an
overcome
web
that?
element.
Or it
Keep
exactly
that in
store
an
that
web
into
element.
yes
Web
web
element.
element. Web element. Which one you are storing? Branch
Branch
name
name.
is equal to branch name is equal to driver dot
Driver dot
find
find
element
element by
Find
XPath.
by dot
by
XPath
XPath.
p dot
P dot get
get
property.
P
property.
dot get property.
Keys will define later. Okay, na?
Branch name
Has been
dot clear.
yeah. First, what do you want? Branch name
Branch name
dot
dot clear.
Branch name dot clear.
branch name dot clear.
Clear.
Again,
Clear.
branch name dot
send
Branch
keys.
name dot
branch
send
name
keys.
dot send keys. So
Send
what
keys.
argument you have defined here?
Branch n.
Branch n, yes. Branch n.
N.
Okay, na? Okay. So here also,
Yes.
let me ask tool to wait for 3 more seconds to wait for that. Okay. And again for address one also, same thing
Address
again.
one.
Again, store into web element address. Because make sure that this argument should not match. Okay, it should be uniquely defined. Address is equal to driver dot
Driver dot
find element
Find element
by dot
by
by dot
XPath.
XPath and p dot get
Get
property,
property.
and we define the key here, no problem. And next, what do you want first? What do you want to do, ma? Address
clear.
address one
Address dot clear.
address dot clear.
Clear.
First clear that field and then address dot
Address dot
Send keys.
send keys.
address dot send keys. So send keys is address one.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Address one.
Address one argument is address one. Same thing should happen for zip code also. Store the zip code into web element.
Zip code.
Web element,
Element.
zip code.
Zip code.
Zip code is equal to driver dot
Driver dot. Find
driver dot find element by dot xpath
export.
p dot
P
get
dot
property.
Get property.
So what that key we should define? We'll define letter key. No problem. Next, first what we have to do?
Zip code dot. Zip
Zip
code
code
dot.
dot clear. Clear. And then zip code dot
Code dot.
Send keys of
send
Z code.
keys
Z
Z
code.
code. Z code. Okay. And finally, what Selenium has to click update button. After filling this form, you should click on update button here. After clearing or entering that fields, right? So click on
Yes.
update button. So for the update button, no need, we can
Driver
directly
dot
locate it. Driver
find
dot
element,
find element
find
by
element,
dot
Element by dot
xpath
export.
p
xpath
dot
of
X
get property.
dot
Key
click.
value will define dot
dot click.
click. And after clicking also, I need to ask my tool to wait for 5 more seconds.
3 seconds.
No problem. And here also, look at here. Even if you click on this update button, here also we get that message in alert window only. It will send you that message in alert window. See that branch updated successfully. So capture that message again here also. Store into one
Driver
expected string
String
Expected
expected update
equal to
update branch update some
driver
branch is
dot
equal to driver dot
driver dot
dot
switch to dot
switch to dot
switch to dot
alert dot
alert dot get text.
alert dot
get
get
text.
get text.
Okay, na? And after getting that pop-up, after getting that pop-up, after capturing that pop-up window, again, for my understanding, wait for 5 seconds and handle that pop-up. Close that pop-up. Dot, switch to dot, alert to dot,
Alert dot
accept.
Accept.
Okay. So, again, so in runtime, what happened? Yes, in runtime, I need to capture some part of that message, branch updated, some part of
Branch.
that message. You can capture it. Okay, you can store into your now which variable we can store ma string
Actual.
actual
Actual.
update
Update.
update b is
B.
equal to some part of it. We can give lowercase, uppercase, no problem because we are converting it already. We know that. Okay, anyway, let it be. For our convenience, we are converting them, not an issue. In runtime, anything may happen. Kada? So, what is the condition here? If
Expected
expected
update
expected
dot lowercase
dot to lowercase dot
Lowercase.
contains what ma actual
update b
Accept.
dot to
dot to
lowercase
lowercase. If it is like this, then reporter dot
Reporter dot log.
reporter dot log
updated successfully
branch update success. Okay, I want print that
Plus.
message also here. So plus expected
Update
update
B.
plus
Plus
some blank
actual
space
update.
plus actual
Actual update.
update branch comma true.
true
Right? So now return
true
compulsory. We are writing boolean type method, return true, comma else Branch updated. Fail.
Fail.
Return.
Return
Return
false.
false.
False. Throwable. Okay, na? Right. Let us define properties values for all of them. First, we have to return. Copy this obj edit. Go to your function library. This is for edit. Next, update branch. Update branch. Next,
Update address.
obj add address one. This is for address one. And next, zip code. This is for zip code. Next, update. obj update. Update. Okay, na? So this is how we can write the method for all this, right? Everything left mess, anything else, right? So like that, we can go on writing all the methods. Now finally, required is we need to call them. Where you call all these methods means we have to write driver script. Yes or no? Why it is written like this? This for if condition, this for else part. And why one more braces here open, closed?
Closed.
I think it's not required here, I think, right?
Yes.
Not required, I think. This is the brace open there. Main, see, should be with that, right? After that, we came out of that method and finally for this class, one mains that for the class opened, for the class closed here. Done. Okay, na? Now, how to write driver script? That is very, very important. We'll write tomorrow. Okay, na? I'll show you how to write tomorrow. Have you prepared up to now, all of you? So far, which has sent your emails?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow class, I'll show driver script. And once we execute it successfully, then I will move to hybrid, then POM, Jenkins, Mavens, all this. Okay, maximum this week. Maximum will pull up. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Yes, bye. Thank you, sir.